He always underpacks, so this man didn't have shorts. Okay, so today is Wednesday, May 11th. It's like 8:40. It's 8:45 right now. We are at a Hilton Garden Inn because we're going to Chicago tomorrow. So we are in Austin right now. I don't remember why I'm gonna go in here because the kids acting crazy. I don't remember why I chose the Austin airport instead of the San Antonio airport. I believe what happened was there either weren't any direct flights or the flights was cheaper. I don't remember, but we booked out of Austin instead of out of San Antonio. So here we are. We just got here, literally just got here. And yeah, so we're at the Hilton Garden Inn right now, where we're staying for the night. Our flight leaves at 8 in the morning. So yeah, we gonna head straight to the airport in the morning, and we're very close to the airport too. We're at the Hilton Garden Inn by the airport. This is actually a really nice hotel. Well, not really, it ain't luxury, but it's nice. Everything is nice and clean, which you know we love. The door here, there's a mirror, full-length mirror, and then a little closet space here. Very nice. They have a microwave, Keurig, and a decently clean fridge in here. So we ate McDonald's though on the way, and then this is the room. We ate McDonald's on the way here, so I don't think anybody's hungry, but they do have a restaurant downstairs so that we can eat. Yeah, it's a nice big TV. What's this, like a 42-inch? Something like that. This nice long little desk with a desk chair. We got 2 queens, obviously, because we got bad kids. And then yeah, very nice, clean room. I didn't bring my extra battery, or that's enough. Sit your ass down. I didn't bring my extra battery or my what's it called? Or my charger. So literally this is all I have to vlog our Chicago trip. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. Honestly, I don't know. I'm probably gonna be on my phone a lot more than on my camera because we're gonna be in Chicago for the week up until next Tuesday. Is your dad knocking? No. We're gonna be in Chicago from tomorrow, starting Thursday, through to Tuesday. So I'm gonna need to vlog, and I don't know how I'm gonna do that with no batteries. But this one's full, so that's good. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. I'm about to shower these children because they misbehaving, and shower myself, and then we just gonna call it a night until the morning. We made it to Chicago. What? All right, now Daniel's gonna get the car. We're at Avis because Avis has all the cars on this garage floor ready to go. So Daniel's getting a car. This is how Michaela was rolling through the airport. Look at her. I had to push her like that because she had an attitude and wanted to lay down on the floor at the baggage claim in front of all them goddamn people. So I had to snatch her up, and I just put her in a suitcase, and then we went from there. But anyway, we landed at like, what time did we land? Almost an hour ago. All right, let's go. It's the next day. We went to yesterday. We went to the mall to get some clothes for the event we're going to tomorrow, and I want to say that was it. We went to go visit his mom, Daniel's mom, of course, my mother-in-law, at his sister's house. But other than that, we ain't do nothing. So right now we're at Navy Pier, and we're just gonna hang out and do some stuff. I didn't bring my camera, of course, because remember I told you I only had one battery, so I'm on my phone. But I think we're gonna get on a little ferry. There's Caleb in the back, my mother-in-law. There's Michaela right there, and Daniel and his dad are over there. But yeah, we're just gonna go to the aquarium and do some other stuff. So I don't know, but hopefully I'll show y'all more than I have so far. We didn't really do nothing though, so y'all wouldn't even have wanted to watch that. His mom's scared to get on the Ferris wheel. We just been at Navy Pier walking around, doing nothing. Michaela took some pictures over there with her abuelo. And yeah, we just been walking around. After the Ferris wheel, of course. We was on a Ferris wheel for a little bit. But it's so nice over here. It's so nice out. Like, the times that I've been to Chicago, mostly Christmas time, so it was like cold as shit. And that's just not for me. But I love hot weather, and it's hot right now. Nice, clear skies, beautiful trees. This is what I need right here. So we're just walking around. We got a ferry boat somewhere, but then Daniel like switched it up last minute. He was like, no, we ain't going to the aquarium today. Let's go to the aquarium on Sunday. So I don't even know. But we walking. Wow. So high up. What is this, a Sears tower or a Willis tower?
OG's called the Sears. That right there is John Hancock.
It's a John Hancock.
That's Millennium Park.
You got a cop, really? Why she in the move? Alright. Come on. Hey. Get me a little cup for my tea. I like this one, baby. Yeah? It's yucky.
Caleb.
Okay, hold on.
Clear it up.
Child. I need some more liquor. What she drop? Then baby, your arms a little bit. Your back a little real muscly. I think that's what she just got from Target. Like they playing with the board. Okay, you guys. So, I haven't talked to you guys since yesterday. I think at the tower, and I don't even think I talked to y'all at the tower. I just kind of showed you where we were. But anyway, it was Daniel's dad's birthday yesterday, so that's why we went and did that. What? Yeah. So that's why we went and did that, and then today we have. I do not like this lips combo. Today, this morning, we went to a church. It was Daniel's nephew's our godson. It was his first communion, I think. So we went and did that at the church, and we were all dressed up all nice. And I didn't even get to show you guys because I just been rushing and I haven't been using my camera. I've been using my phone. So now we're just gonna go to the park for like the little after party thing, and for Daniel's dad's birthday party. It's gonna be the same thing at the park. But yeah, so this is what we look like. I curled my hair a little bit. This fell out when I ran my fingers through it. It didn't do too well right here, but oh god, hold on, Daniel's calling me. Okay, so like I was saying, now we're gonna go to the park. So we're just waiting for Daniel to get back. He had to stop by the mall because he always underpacks, so this man didn't have shorts. So I just have on this dress. I got this dress from Misguided. I know because I just took the tag off. So I just have on this little dress. It's kind of a flowy dress, but it also doesn't stretch. It doesn't have a lot of stretch to it, but I thought it was nice and cute. It just ties at the shoulders. And then Michaela has on this little cute dress we got from Target. She got some Hot Wheels with socks, Crocs, hat. She doesn't want to wear her hat. She said it's too big. But I got her this one I had at Target yesterday, and it looks so cute on her, but she does not want to wear it. She swears it's too big. But anyway, yeah, we're just waiting for Daniel to come back and pick us up from the hotel, and then we're gonna go to the park. Y'all, I got COVID. Oh my fucking gosh. I'm not finishing this vlog. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this vlog up, but you know I like to keep it straight and real with y'all, so I might put it up anyway. But this has just been kind of a fucking wreck. Not really a wreck, but like, my God. Anyway. I don't know. I don't even know. Damn. It's the kids. Here.